Cutting corners on research and planning is another way that evil voice wins. Skipping your pre-market analysis, glossing over your pre-trade checklist, ignoring key levels, jumping into trades because it feels right, these are all shortcuts that lead to dead ends. The emotional roller coaster of euphoria to despair becomes your normal state, and your account goes nowhere for years despite all that effort. And the real cost isn't just money lost, it's time wasted, the stress endured, and the opportunities missed while you're stuck in this cycle and the emotional exhaustion. That zigzag account that never really grows, that's the price of letting the evil voice run your trading decisions. Now let's talk about the quiet superpower that actually builds wealth: risk management. This isn't about limiting your gains, it's about ensuring you get to keep playing the game long enough to win. The most successful traders I know don't see themselves as market predictors. They see themselves as risk managers who happen to trade. Think about it this way. If you risk 2.5% of your account per trade and win just 55% of the time with a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio, you're printing money slowly but surely. The math doesn't lie. Small, steady gains compound into serious wealth over time. Now imagine your win rate climbs to 60% with a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. You can make a very good living trading with those numbers, and almost anyone can obtain them with the right system. The beauty of this approach is the freedom it creates. When you have clear rules about position sizing and risk management, you remove emotion from the equation. You're not guessing or hoping, you're executing a plan. Your system works whether you're feeling brilliant or completely off your game. That consistency creates much more predictable, sustainable growth that might not make for exciting cocktail party stories, but it absolutely builds real wealth. Here's the reality most traders miss. Boring execution beats exciting ideas every single time. The trader who consistently follows their risk management rules will outperform the gambler who has flashes of brilliance but can't control their emotions. The market doesn't reward how smart you are, it rewards how disciplined you are. So, how do you make this shift from emotional trader to disciplined risk manager? It starts with writing down your trading plan and treating it as non-negotiable. This isn't some document that sits in a drawer, it's your playbook for every market condition. Your plan should outline your entry criteria, exit strategy, position sizing rules, and risk parameters. When in doubt, you don't ask yourself how you feel, you check with your plan and you check what it says. Print it out, have it visible wherever you do your trading. Position sizing is where the rubber meets the road. The 5% rule is a great starting point. Never risk more than 5% of your account on any single trade. This may seem aggressive until you realize you're implementing this with a very strict stop-loss discipline. You're never going to let a small loss turn into a big loss. That way, even a string of losses won't take you out of the game. If you're a newer trader, begin with a maximum risk of 2.5% of your account. The traders who blow up accounts are usually the ones who thought they were too smart for position sizing rules. Journaling is your secret weapon for improvement. After every trade, ask yourself, did I follow my plan? What worked? What didn't? This isn't about judging whether you made money, it's about judging whether you followed your process. The market will sometimes reward bad decisions and punish good ones, but over time, good process wins. Set process goals instead of outcome goals. Don't aim to make X dollars this week, aim to execute your plan perfectly. Did you wait for your setup? Did you respect your position size? Did you honor your stop loss? Did you take profits according to the rules? These are the things you control. The profits will follow naturally from good process. Create accountability systems that keep you honest. Share your trades with a coach, a trading partner, join a community, or simply review your journal with brutal honesty. The 1% daily improvement mindset is powerful, focused on getting just a little bit better each day and following your rules, managing your emotions, and executing your plan. Learn to recognize when the evil voice is talking. That feeling of urgency, that temptation to skip your analysis, that desire to revenge trade, these are all red flags. When you feel them, that's your cue to step away from the screen, review your rules, and remember that the market will still be there tomorrow. The choice between greed and growth isn't something you make once. It's a decision you face with every trade, every day. True wealth in trading doesn't come from that one amazing hero trade that makes you look like a genius. It comes from the boring, consistent execution of sound risk management principles day after day. Your most important trade isn't any stock or option position, it's the trade you make with yourself to become a disciplined risk manager. That's the trade that pays compounding dividends for your entire trading career. The market will give you endless opportunities to make money, but only if you're still in the game to take them. If you'd like to become a world-class risk manager, I'd like to send you a copy of my trading plan that you can use as inspiration for writing your own. Just click the link below and let us know where to send it. Because when you get really good at managing risk while following a process with an edge, your success becomes almost inevitable.